All right, leaders. So first and foremost, we're back. We know what a staff is now. We know that it's comprised of 5 lines and 4 spaces. All right. So we need to know what those vertical black lines are on staffs. All right. And that's going to help us learn about time signatures today. So when we create those vertical black lines, those are called bar lines. Bar lines. And those create measures. All right. Bar lines are vertical lines on a staff, and they create measures. As we see right here, now we have two measures. We have two measures. All right. This line right here is called a bar line, and it created two measures. All right. All right. So moving forward, time signatures define the amounts and type of notes that each measure contains. All that to say, time signature tells us how many beats go in a measure. How many beats go in a measure. The first measure you see right here, like I said before, we have two measures. The first measure we have right here is 4 4. 4 4. That's how we read that. 4 4. All right. The second measure we have is 3 4. 3 4. All right. So what do these numbers mean, Mr. Brown? I'm so glad you asked. All right. So in the first measure right here, that means we get 4 beats per measure. All right. 4 beats per measure. All right. In this measure, we get 3 beats per measure. All right. As we know, a whole note equals 4 beats by itself. So if we put a whole note in this measure, that is the only thing that we can put in this measure. A whole note could not go in this measure right here. Why? Because a whole note again has 4 beats, and this only lets us put 3 beats in this measure. We only get to put 3 beats in this measure. So a whole note would be more than the time signature allows us to have. All right. As I said before, the 4 means that we can put 4 beats. We know that a quarter note equals 1 beat each, meaning that we could put 4 quarter notes in this measure because that equals 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, what does that mean for our 3 4 measure? If you said that we could put 3 quarter notes in there, you're right. We only can put 3 quarter notes or things that equal 3 beats in this measure. All right.